Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious tacos de canasta. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. We're going to begin by making our sauce for our filling. Grab your skillet, add a little bit of oil, set it on medium heat and allow it to heat up. Once it heats up, we're going to add 3 tomatillos, a quarter of a small white onion. We're just going to fry it for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes, we're going to add 2 garlic cloves, 4 New Mexico or Guajillo chili pods, and 2 chile moritas. And we're just going to lightly fry them. Okay, so once our chiles are nice and soft, we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of water. So cover it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to turn it off. And we're going to transfer everything to our blender cup. Transfer the water as well. Okay, so now you can get ready to blend. To the blender cup, we're also going to add half a cup of water, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. And now we're just going to blend it all together until we have a smooth salsa. Okay, and once we have that, now we can put it together with our chicharron. Returning to the skillet, we're going to add a little bit of lard, or you can use oil, set it on medium heat, and allow the lard to melt. Okay, and once that's ready, we're going to add 2 pounds of Chicharrón Prensado. So you can find this at your meat market, just ask the carnicero. We're just going to throw it in and cut it into pieces. And we're just going to allow the chicharron to heat up and then we can break it down. Once the chicharron heats up, it will be easy to break it down. So just begin to break it down. And this is just pressed pork skin. This is like basically, when they cook chicharron, this is basically everything that sits on the bottom. It's delicious, let me tell you. Okay, so just break it down and cook it for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is what a chicharron should look like. So now we're going to add our salsa. Strain if you need to. Going to add a little bit more water. Okay, so just mix it. And we're going to cook this for another 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our delicious filling is done. So now we're going to set it to the side so we can make our salsa and get our oil ready. Okay, so in our small pot, we're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to add about 4 cups of oil. And we're just going to allow our oil to heat up. Okay, while we wait for oil to heat up, we're going to make our salsa. So bring to a boil 10 tomatillos, chiles serranos, and jalapenos. Okay, and as soon as our chiles and tomatillos come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer everything to our blender cup. Okay, once we have everything ready, we can make our salsa. In the cup, we're also going to add a pinch of cilantro, a small piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, and salt. And now we're just going to blend until smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our green salsa. Now we can get ready to transfer it to our bowl. Transfer it to a bowl. Into that, we're going to add chopped cilantro and chopped onion. And you can add avocado as well. Just mix it, taste it for salt, and set it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to assemble our basket. I don't have a basket, so I'm going to be using my Dutch oven. So I'm going to begin by adding a kitchen towel. And on top of my kitchen towel, I'm going to add a slow cooker liner. Or you can use the turkey oven bags. Okay, so now I'm going to be using butcher paper, but you can always use freezer paper or parchment paper. After this, you're gonna be a professional basket taco maker. Okay, so I only added 2 layers of the butcher paper. So once we have that ready, now we are ready to assemble our tacos. Okay, so now just heat up your tortillas. I like to use my comal. So once we have them ready, now we are ready to stuff them with our filling. So grab your filling, place it on a tortilla, fold it, and place it in your basket. I'm just going to make them go in a circle. Okay, and once we have our tacos all arranged, I'm going to be adding some onion. Of course, this is all optional, but I love onion. Okay. And at this point, our oil should be super hot. So now carefully, we're going to pour it on our tacos. This is when the magic happens. Oh, let me tell you, that it smells delicious. So now we're just going to cover them, give them about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we can get ready to enjoy our tacos. So go get your bicycle ready. Ready, guys, and after 5 minutes, we can get ready to serve our delicious tacos. Of course, you know, you can allow them to sit longer, but I like to enjoy them while they're nice and hot. And let me tell you, I am so ready. Look at that. Just like in Mexico. So good. Okay, so grab your plate. Grab your taquito. Just like that. Some onion because I love the onions. And now we can get ready to top it with our salsa. Not complete Mexico tacos if they don't have the carrots and jalapenos. You can add your salsita and add it inside or just drizzle it on top. Alrighty, guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. Mexico street tacos are seriously the best, and especially more, you know, when you buy them off the muchacho de la bicicleta. And now, you know, it's super easy for you to make them at home. Next time you're craving Mexico street tacos. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And look at that, the tortilla, it's complete. Bien sudadita. Are they the healthiest? Absolutely not, you know, but una vez al año no hacen daño. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So delicious. And if you've never had chicharrón prensado, the taste is very similar to chorizo, but in chicharron texture. I don't know, it's seriously super delicious. And then with the salsa, and then everything in on a taco, bien sudaditos with the salsa, everything, it's so good. So worth it. Alrighty, guys, and there you have it on how I make my delicious tacos de canasta. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.